Today we will be discussing on a number system, and I will be showing you how to solve addition, subtraction, and multiplication of a number system. Let's work on this example together. Say multiply 101 base 2 by 1101 base 2. This is an example. Now, this what we have here. Multiply 1011 base 2 by 1101 base 2. You start your solving. Saying 1011 by 1101 all in base 2. Now, when you talk about multiplication of a number system, what you should know that the base itself controls every other operations that will happen within the question. For example, this is base 2. It is expected, in fact, know this, it will help you a lot when you talk about the number system. Just as this question is now, it is expected that no other number will be greater than the base or equal to the base. This is base 2. I said there is no number that will be within the solving that must be equal to or that will be equal to 2 or greater than base 2. For example, now that this is base 3, every other number that will happen within this calculation must be less than 3. Are you getting what I'm saying? For this one we are working on precisely now. Every other number or every other calculations we will do here must be less than, each constant must be less than 2. If this is base 8, it will be up to 7, but it will not be equal to or greater than 8. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now, let's work on these calculations together. This is 1 multiplied by 1 will give us 1. 1 multiplied by 1 will give us 1. 1 multiplied by 0 will give us 0. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. 0 by 0, 0. 0 by 0, 0. 0 by 0, 0. 0 by 1. Are you getting what I'm doing? 0 multiplied by 1 is 0. 0 multiplied by 1 is 0. 0 multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 multiplied by 1 is 0. Any confusion? Now, 1 multiplied by 1 will give us 1. 1 by 1, 1. 1 by 0, 0. 1 by 1, 1. 1 by 1, 1. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. 1 multiplied by 0, 0. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. You draw your line. Now, from this point, you must be extremely careful at this point, because the whole of this will determine every explanation I've been doing. Are you getting me? Now, this is the addition aspect of the multiplication. You see, everything here is 0. Everything under is 0. So 1, you bring it down. Remember, everything is happening under base 2. Now, 1 plus 0 will give us 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1 will give us 1. Now, we come to this place. 1 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1. This is 3. Now, we've seen something different from the usual thing. So it is expected that 3 must not be in this calculation. Are you getting what I'm saying? So what you do, you say divide 3 by 2. Since there is no number that will be equal to 2 here or greater than 2. When you divide 3 by 2, you will have 1, 1, remainder 1. You write 1. Now you come to this place and see that the remainder 1 will be added here. That is 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 2. Sorry. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 2. Now 2 cannot be here also. You divide by 2 to have 1, 1 remainder 0. You write the remainder here. Now you carry that one, add it to this place. It will be 1 plus 1, 2 plus 0, 2. Are you getting me? Now what will you do again? You say 2 divided by 2, it will give you 1 remainder 0. You write the 0 again. Hope you are getting what I'm doing. Now from this point, you carry that one, add it to this place. It will be 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Now 2 cannot be here. You say 2 divided by the base, it will be 1, 1 remainder 0. You now write 1 and 0, and this will give you the final answer. Now just check on this. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Now let's move into let's solve another example as regard to multiplication before we move into addition and subtraction. Let's say multiply 220 base 3 by 110 base 3. Now you say, you draw your line and say solution. 220 base 3 multiplied by 110 base 3 will now be. Now let's not forget what I told you initially, that every number here must not be equal to 3 or greater than 3. We say 0 multiplied by 0, 0. 0 multiplied by 2, 0. 0 multiplied by 2, 0. 1 multiplied by 0, 0. 1 multiplied by 2, 2. 1 multiplied by 2, 2. 1 multiplied by 0, 0. 1 multiplied by 2, 2. 1 multiplied by 2, 2. You now come down and do the addition. 0 by 0, 0 is 3. Now 0, you bring a 0 down. 0, 2, 0, 2 and 0 will give us 2. Now you come to this place and say 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now 4 divided by 3 will give us a 1, 1 remainder 1. Right? 1, carry 1. Add the 1 to these 2. It will now be equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now 3 divided by 3 will be equal to 1, 1 remainder 0. And here is the final answer. This thing is still applicable to every other number system that has to do with multiplication. Now let's move into addition and subtraction. Let's work on some examples. Say subtract 52 base base 7 from 64 base 7. You now say 64 minus 52 base 7. Now 4 minus 2 will be equal to 2. 6 minus 5 will be equal to 12 base 7. Now this is the final answer. Now let's solve another example that will give me exactly what I want. Say subtract 20 base 6 from 5 base 6 from 12 base 6. You are subtracting 5 base 6 from 12 base 6. What will you do? Say 12 minus 5, and this is base 6 to 7. But the rules of base says that every number here must not be equal to 6 or greater than 6. So what we do now, we say we divide 7 by 6. And when you divide 7 by 6, the answer will be equal to 1, remainder 1. And the final answer will be equal to 1 base 6. So what do we do again? We solve, we pick some examples under addition. Let's say add 324 base 7 and 253 also in base 7. Now what will you do? You say 324 by 253 all in base 7. This may come first, either this or this, because addition is commutative. Now you say 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, and remember that no number there that should be up to 7. You say 7 divided by 7, it will be equal to 1, remainder 0. Now you add the 1 here. 1 plus 2 will give us 3. 3 plus 5 will give us 8. 8 divided by 7 will be equal to 1, remainder 1. You add the 1 here. Now 1 plus 3 will give us 4. 4 plus 2 will give us 6. You write 6 base 7, and this is the answer. Just the same procedure. You use the same format in solving all of them. Now let's take one more example from this. Now add 11011 base 2 and 1011 base 2. Now this will be 11011 by 1101 and all in base 2. This is addition. So now you see 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 divided by 2 will give us a 0 remainder 1. You write 0 remainder 1. You say that 1 plus 1 will give us a 2. 2 plus 2 will give us a 3. 3 now divided by 2 will give us a 1 remainder 1. You write 1. Now 1 plus 0 will be 0 plus 0 will be equal to 1. Now 1 plus 1 will be equal to 2. 2 divided by 2 will be equal to 1 remainder 0. You write 0, carry 1. Now add the 1 here. 1 plus 1 will be equal to 2. It will now be equal to 2 divided by 2 will be 1 remainder 0. And this is the final answer. If you've seen this video interesting, do well to click the share button, like, comment, and subscribe in order to follow my other teachings. Thank you for watching.